Hello guys, this is your CSE Rockstar. From today onwards, we are going to be discuss about Python programming language. In this Python programming language, we are going to see what is programming. First of all, what is programming? Programming is nothing but it is giving a set of instructions to perform a specific task, and we are giving our instructions by using Python language, right? And that instructions about performing a specific task. Python programming language developed by Guido and Rosum in the year of Feb 20, 1991. Programming is nothing but, as we have discussed, is instructing a computer to perform a specific task. Features of Python. There are totally 8 features of Python are there. One is simple and easy to learn. Why it is simple and easy to learn? If you ask me, I will show this. Let us look this. Hello world. How it will be visible? It, it is visible by like a text message you are doing for your friend, like, hey, you want to print hello world, like that. And second is, it is an interpreted language. What do you mean by interpretation? If you ask me, it does not execute the entire program, rather it will take line by line and execute it. And third one, if you ask me, that is a large standard library. It supports multiple libraries to requirement, right? On a requirement like math.py, math. Next, like import math, import pandas, import numpy. Multiple library support is also visible, and cross-platform language as well. You can write your code in one platform and you can run it in different environment. As you have seen, I have written in my code in Windows, and I will compile it, and then I will run the same code in Mac as well and Linux as well, and the output will look like this, right? And the files will be shared like read.py. Then the compiled file, or like, what we can say, the compiled file or bytecode we will give to the, or pseudocode we can say, that code we give to the other systems, and we will run in Mac as well, we will run in Linux as well. But where we have write the code in Windows, whatever it is possible. This is the meaning of what is cross-platform language. Is also called as independent, platform independence we can say. And dynamically typed. What is dynamically typed? If you ask me, it's the data type is going to be decided at the runtime itself. Huge community support. Nowadays, all are going to start their career in the domain of Python and AI fields, and many are existed as well. Right? Beginner friendly. It feels like writing a message to a friend. Writing a message to a friend. Right? Next. Like this, it will be visible. Very easy, right? You want to print hello world, say simply print hello world. When we give this command, then your Python's virtual machine, let's suppose assume Python's virtual machine we will have, that will execute it, and like this it will be visible. Let us also see one more dynamically typed example. As we can see, we are giving a variable and we are giving b variable. A variable we are initializing 10, for b variable we are initializing 20. In C variable we are calculating the sum. In addition, in output the addition will be happened, and it gives the output be like this, like as we have seen. Here we are not given that is integer type of data it is. Here also we are not given that is integer type of data it is. Here also we are not given that is integer type of data it is. But as you have seen your output, there is 30, like it was dynamically, means at runtime only it was decided, yes, it is an integer type of data. What happens if I give float like 0.0? If I add, it will add 0.0 here, and it will implicitly converted it into meaning that the data type was decided at runtime. So this is what we have to see. If I want to show it practically, it will be look like this as well. Thank you so much. These are such 8 features of Python. Please share and subscribe and like my video, my channel. Thank you. Signing off. See you after.